Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci. You guys, we're here with a new little hairdo today. I wanted y'all to see. I had it originally behind my little ear here, so it's like not too much in my face. I did a ponytail. My husband glued down the back, you guys, and I'm in love. This hair is from Tinashe or Tinashe. I'm gonna say Tinashe. This is what the box looked like. This is my first time ordering from this company. I'm gonna just share with you guys what came in the box really quickly. I got an 18-inch 13x4 parting space. It does come with this little hair card. Oh yeah, no, it says Tinashe because Tinashe is on the front of it. Is this Tinashe's hair company? This is how the bag comes presented to you. You get a wig cap, a bonnet, okay? Bonnets are cool because some women actually like, you get yellow clips. Oh my gosh, these are nice. Some women actually like to sleep in their wigs. All that stuff is good. You got lashes. You guys, I've gotten so many lashes now, it doesn't make any sense. I got a pink little comb and then another edge brush. I say another because I personally like when companies go out of their way to give you all this stuff, because some companies don't. Like AliExpress vendors really just put the hair in a box and call it a day. So I personally like when the companies are giving me bang for my buck, and the hair wasn't even that expensive. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and let's hop straight into it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
guys, this is how the hair turned out. I absolutely love it. I don't know if you guys have been noticing, but I've been trying to do different things when it comes to hairstyles because what I don't want is to just hop on for sneaker unboxing and you guys are like, oh my God, what wig is that? How did you do your hair? So I've been trying to share with you guys the process of me doing my hair. I love it. The only, I would say, con would be the frontal was really thick. I don't think that that's a con because some women like their hairline to be thicker than it being thin. But I did have to go in and pluck the hairline, as you guys could see. I also bleached the knots. The knots were really stubborn. Low-key, I would need to bleach them one more time because when I was plucking, I saw a bunch of unbleached knots and I'm just like, okay. But I absolutely love the hair. The hair texture is super soft. It's super fine. I decided to do some of those fluffy baby hairs and you guys, I'm hooked. In a bunch of my previous videos, y'all have seen that I haven't been doing baby hair wig installs because your girl's gonna be 30, so I don't always have to walk around with adolescent hair. I'm just playing because baby hairs are cute. But I'm here for the curly baby hairs. I think that they're super cute. I decided to just tuck it behind my ear to see what that looked like, but I also just gave it a curl in case you kind of want like a prom little hairdo. I love it. I think it's super cute. This is definitely out of my element. I do have a ton more wigs like coming up. So if you guys want to send me Instagram DMs of hairstyles you want me to recreate, I definitely can do that for you. I love it. I love the hair texture. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick wig video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm 110% feeling this little look. I feel really sexy and I love that. There wasn't any shedding. There wasn't any tangling when I was combing it out. The only thing was that the knots were a little stubborn to bleach. So if you try to bleach this hair, I think the lightest you'd be able to take it is to like a ginger. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV, I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.